welcome Jimmy. Okay. Some jokes. Your mom was so fat when she wanted a waterbed, they put a sheet over the Atlantic Ocean. Your mom was so fat when she walked by the TV. I missed 3 episodes. Your mom was so dumb she put 2 quarters in her ears and thought she was listening to 50 Cent. Your mama so ugly. Even Bob the Builder said we can't fix that. Your mama's so fat when she goes in the ocean, the whales say, "We are family." Even though you're better than me. Any other jokes? Leave in the comment section below. Thank you and good night.